Hi, I'm John Spencer Ellis with a quick tip to grow your fitness or personal training business. It's called the zigzag theory, and it goes like this. When everyone else zigs, you zag. So let me give you an example. I've been doing a video lecture program that you'll see soon about marketing to millionaires for fitness and coaching professionals. So that's coming out soon, but that's just a quick sidebar. What I learned, actually it was a great reminder for me, is something I hadn't thought about for a while, and that is that what everyone else is doing, you need to do the opposite. Now, some things you can do the same. If it's working, then it will probably work across the board. However, you need to also stand out. So let me give you an example. What I learned is that, obviously everything's going online. Right now you're seeing this and learning about this online. But when's the last time you received a fax, whether it's an e-fax or a paper fax? And if you did, it would stand out because now no one sends faxes anymore. So if you were to send a fax, you would really stand out because you are all alone. So I consider that a unique angle to reach new and existing clients. So you may consider trying to fax something again. The other thing that I've noticed is a great trend is combining print and online media. A lot of times now everyone's going with straight online media. Before it was all print, all direct response mail pieces, and obviously that can be really cost prohibitive. But if you complement all of your online marketing with print collateral, whether it's a flyer or an ad in a local periodical or magazine, whatever it is, that proper synergy can really make a difference for your business. So whatever you think everyone else is doing, consider doing just the opposite. So give it a try, see how that works for you, and of course always consider cost and return on investment for the whole thing. So I have a lot more tips for you. I have a 2-hour online video seminar that I teach you exactly how to grow your fitness business to the highest level, and I have certification programs, turnkey businesses, boot camps, life coaching programs, internet marketing tools, you name it. There's a lot of free stuff too. So go there right now, personaltrainertools.com. Thanks a lot.